My name is Daniel Gildari. I'm a grade 6 teacher at the Akawini Primary Annex. Currently, we have approximately 86 pupils at the Annex. So when the pandemic started, the Akawini Primary we were faced with many challenges getting over content in a creative manner to pupils. So teachers at our school had to figure out ways of tailoring our content in order to fit the needs and interests of our pupils. And that's where the whole gap originated from. One of the things that we started out were to record videos, short videos based upon different topics, and able to give out to the various sections in the community. They were videos and also audios based upon different content area, and they were also questions based upon the same content area delivered using those mediums. So when we look at the challenges that we were faced with, content delivery, being a grade 6 teacher and looking at the whole framework on Khan Academy, I got the idea that we could able to create these short videos and explain them, just like 5-minute videos. We could able to deliver it to the one of the sibling phone, and they will able to access it. And that bring about a different challenge, a challenge that the child was able now to choose between looking at a cartoon and then looking at a learning video. So it posed a different challenge there. So that was really challenging there, because obviously the child is going to look at something more creative, because the teachers are obviously not exporting creating videos or whatever. So the introduction of the Guyana Learning Channel is great. It's a great initiative implemented by the government, and reaching children in these remote places is an excellent idea, and it's actually bridging the gap between the coastland and the hinterland children. So being in a virtual classroom, it's a new initiative and a change that the teachers and as well as the pupils will have to find ways to adapt to the change. So it's a great initiative, and children will be now they will be better exposed to content and content that are tailored according to their interests, because you have specialists working with the program. So the program will be extremely beneficial to the children as well as the teachers of the Akawini Primary.